Today is a historical day for us, like yesterday. And every day we stay here, we will remember as historic days. Dr. Haji is the first ambassador for a recognized Somaliland. And this embassy, we open it today, is the first embassy ever in Somaliland and anywhere in the world. And we are in Israel. For 35 years, Somaliland was asking the world one simple question. Do you see us? They have been silent for 35 years. 35 good years. And only one country was courageous to say yes. And that country was Israel. They didn't only say yes, they recognized Somaliland. And that's why we are here opening this embassy. And the minister and the president of Israel has accepted the credentials of the ambassador. And hopefully, I hope that soon I will receive the credentials of the Israeli ambassador in Hargeisa. Yesterday, I learned that if there is a will, there is a way. Hearst, when needed, I have been to Mount Hearst yesterday, and I learned from the history. The stateless people can have a state if they work on. The stateless people can, and he proved that the Israeli people found a state. And Somaliland has got that recognition. It has been waiting for 35 years. We are not stateless today. We are a recognized country. We are a recognized country. And hopefully, as forecasted by the minister, we will have more countries to recognize Somaliland soon, and we are hopeful for that as well. This shows the growing relationship and friendship between Israel and Somaliland. And hopefully, we will have a more stronger partnership in all areas possible, in security, in economy, in regional affairs, in diplomacy, in economy. We hope that we will also cooperate in innovation and technology, in which Israel is very advanced. We are a small population and a small country. We are rich in resources. If we get the right investment, we can be one of the richest countries in the world. And hopefully Israel, with the technology of Israel, we hope that we will prosper together. Israel, with the technology of Israel, we hope that we will prosper together. Thank you very much, Mr. Minister.
This is a very important day for both nations. And Mr. President, we wouldn't arrive to this day without your visionary leadership. Knew what is important for your country, and this partnership, within a very short time, a few months, we're already dealing with so many issues for the benefit of our peoples mutual benefits. And therefore, I believe that this journey that we both begin will have more and more partners. You know, your team know they found me as a partner, but when you will be here in this visit, you will, from day to day, will see more and more partners, Israeli partners, from the public and private sector. And you will be amazed from the willingness to cooperate and to advance and to build on this friendship between the peoples, something good for the future. Even though we have some difficulties, and I found some similarities, a core problem for us is that, I would say, our neighbors, more than they are interested in the prosperity of their societies, some of them, okay, not everyone, some of them, they are committed to the destruction of our society. And probably it's not the only region in the world that face this phenomenon. And therefore, you are amazed to see that other countries has nothing to say about relations between our both countries. It's our matter. It's not your matter, it's our matter. But it demonstrates the challenges, sometimes maybe obstacles, but we are great partners and we will overcome all these obstacles. Because our intention and our purpose and our will is good. Good for Somaliland and for Israel. It is hugely important, Mr. President, and you announced that to me in our phone conversation on December 26 last year, that you will establish your embassy here in Jerusalem. And it means a lot for us. Somaliland is the 8th country that established its embassy here in Jerusalem. When I began as foreign minister, we had 5.